but I would like to give the data in English so can Arab engineers and different countries use this video. To understand the codes, we have to read much in the codes. Each time we read the codes, we can understand something new. Life loads is the moving loads on the floors, such as furniture, equipment, stores inside the buildings itself, and the weight of the person using the building. Sometimes we need to add dynamic effect to the life load in case it's causing some kind of vibrations. Also, the life load can be the loads in construction stage, such as shuttering or formwork, cranes. Sometimes in some sites they use cranes and equipment used in construction. This can be also considered as a life load if it is more critical than the building life loads. Then we'll talk about the value of the life loads in different elements or different buildings. The code say for upper roofs, horizontal roofs, which is not used, the life load is 100 kilogram per square meter. I need this figure to be close to the engineers or students who designing the buildings. The normal person weight, your weight, for example, it's from 60 to 80 kilogram per person. If it's one little heavy or fat, he could reach 100 kilogram. So the code tells us put in the roof on 1 square meter load of 100 kilograms, which equivalent to 1 heavy person or 2 slim person, for example. Yeah. Just to be close the figures for your imagination. Then the code say for inclined roof, and this slope not more than 20 degree, and these roofs not reachable or not used, so the life load would be 50 kilogram per square meter. The roof of buildings which made from sheets like factories or from glass, nobody will step on it. So the life load can be reduced, and the code says it is from 20 to 60 kilogram per square meter. The load for sheet or from the sheets depends on the angle of inclination of the roof. For residential buildings, the rooms, we take it 200 kilograms per square meter. For stairs, Egyptian code adding 100 kilograms, so it is 300 kilograms per square meter. In American codes, it is 500 kilograms per square meter. For balconies, also like stairs, 300 kilograms per square meter. In administration buildings, which have offices, the offices loads, life loads, will be 250 kilograms per square meter. The loads for archive, for filing and things, usually having a lot of shelves to store the files. So the paper is heavyweight. So the code defines this as 200 kilogram per meter height. So if you have shelves, height, full floor height, say 3 meter, so you multiply 200 by 3, it is 600 kilogram in this area. This is, we say, for filing. يعني the files also have less paper, so it is not too much. But if you have archive full of paper and the paper is weight, have heavy weights, so the archive could say take the loads 500 to 1000 kilogram per meter square. Stairs in the administration buildings 400 kilogram per square meter, because have much load than residential buildings. People go up and down. In balconies also 400 kilogram per square meter. We'll go now to the hospitals. Patient rooms 250 kilogram per square meter. Curing rooms 250 kilogram per square meters. Operation room 400 kilogram per square meter or higher, depends on the equipments used in the surgery room or operation room. Also X-ray rooms 400 kilograms per square meter or more, depends on the equipment weight. Usually we get, when we design hospitals, we get the weight of equipments from the manufacturers. Depends on the design, what is the equipment will be used, and get full of data of these loads. For stairs and balconies, again, like administration buildings, it is 400 kilogram per square meter. For school and university buildings, the classroom 300 kilogram per square meter, the labs 400 kilogram per square meter or more, depends on the equipment also. Sports halls 500 kilogram per square meter. Rooms for storing books, having shelves, and the corridors 1000 kilogram per square meter. The room of storing books 400 per meter height, 400 kilogram per meter height. Library rooms 400 kilogram per meter square. Corridors and stairs 400 kilograms per meter square. For halls like cinema or exhibitions, mosques, churches, the laws for halls with fixed seatings, have chairs fixed on the place, is 400 kilogram per square meter. If the chairs are not fixed, so the load is 500 kilogram per square meter. For commercial buildings, malls or shops, the live load is 500 kilogram per square meters. The stores who selling wholesale, the load is 1000 kilogram per square meter or more, depends on the store type or material stored. For hotels, the rooms 200 kilogram per square meter. Public rooms 400 kilogram per square meter. The restaurants 400 kilogram per square meter. For stairs and corridor 400 kilograms per square meter. The library, the rooms for books storing 1000 kilogram per square meter. The room for storing books with high density 400 kilogram per meter height. The reading rooms 400 kilograms per square meter. For cinema, rooms for exchange 300 kilogram per square meter. Balcony 500 kilograms per square meter. the main halls and balconies with fixed seatings, 400 kilogram per square meter. The main halls and balconies and the seats are not fixed, 500 kilogram per square meter. The corridor and the stairs, 500 kilogram per square meter. The life load for the workshop, it must be using the actual weight of the equipment or machines and considering the vibration effect, adding dynamic factors. This can come from the machine manufacturer. He gives this data. This is load. We cannot make it general in full area. If we know the exact location, we apply this load on the actual location. And the rest area will take loads of 600 kilogram per square meter. For workshop, the loads take the actual machine loads which come from the manufacturer plus effect of vibration, which is the dynamic factor, which we get it also from manufacturer. This should be added to the machine loads. These machine loads will not make it in full area of the building. We just add these loads on the actual machine area, if it is known exactly, plus 300 kilogram per square meter in the rest of the area. Under condition, the average loads of machines and these 300 kilograms on the floor not less than 600 kilogram per square meter. The ports loads are 1,500 kilogram per square meter. In garage, for the passenger cars and the height on the entrance not more than 2.5 meter, the loads is 300 kilogram per square meter. This loads in American codes like 200 kilogram per square meter. The garage for bigger car like mini bus or buses, the load is 400 kilograms per square meter. The corridors in the garage should be taken 500 kilograms per square meter. This is the life loads according to codes. Hope it is clear. Thank you.